Warrior 24906 X-ray, runway 9, full length, cleared for takeoff. Warrior 24906 X-ray.
Cleared for takeoff, X-ray.
Dallas, that Warrior just departed the right main gear strut and wheel just fell off the airplane.
Roger. Warrior 24906 X-ray tower.
Yeah.
Okay, Warrior 24906 X-ray, the WACO just said that your right main is now missing from the airplane. It's fallen off the airplane. Say your intentions.
Can I circle back to land?
Warrior 906 X-ray, affirmative. Are you a solo, ma'am?
I'm a pseudo pilot solo, yeah.
Okay, it'll be okay. Just go ahead and circle the airport for now. Make a right turn to circle. We're going to get some people out to help you, okay?
Okay.
Pattern altitude 1,100, and you can make a right turn out, okay?
Okay.
Warrior 906 X-ray, just circle. We're going to get some people out to help you. Everything will be okay.
Okay.
906 X-ray, just continue to circle. Go ahead and fly overhead the runway, just like you would be flying a normal pattern, but just maintain your altitude. We're going to get someone out on this frequency to help you, all right?
All right.
And then 906 X-ray, just continue circling. We've got possibly an instructor that should be able to come up on the frequency, all right?
All right.
And 60 X-ray, 906 X-ray, I'm sorry, just continue circling. We do have someone that'll be able to hopefully get on the radio and help you with the landing, all right?
All right.
And North Atlantic, are you able to come over to the tower and come up here? Okay, well, just get an escort over. We have a DC-3 that they want to try and get in before her, but she's still circling, so we would prefer to have you up here. 906 X-ray tower.
Yeah.
Okay, 906 X-ray. We have one of the instructors up here, Greg. He just wants to make sure how you're doing.
Okay.
We have a DC-3 that they want to try and get in before her, but she's still circling, so we would prefer to have you up here. 906 X-ray tower.
Yeah.
Okay, 906 X-ray. We have one of the instructors up here, Greg. He just wants to make sure how you're doing.
Okay.
Hey, Maggie, this is Greg. How you doing?
As good as it gets, I guess.
Yeah, listen, it's going to be okay. So you got plenty of fuel. You got the aircraft under control. you're just going to continue circling. John's going to be here shortly, and we'll keep you updated, but we'll work it out.
All right.
Beverly Tower, this is Kronos 181. We're currently quite a ways out to the south. Just wondering if the airport will be good to go in a little bit.
Kronos 181 Beverly Tower, we're just going to go ahead and bring you in. Enter the right downwind for runway 9. And we're going to bring you in before this aircraft lands. So just enter the right downwind, maintain 1,000, just go, yeah, regular pattern altitude, and we'll bring you in around her.
Hey, so we're still currently with Boston Approach. They have us on headings right now. I was just calling to see ahead if we needed to choose an alternate, but we'll talk to you in a minute here.
In Seneca, Warrior 906 X-ray, there's a DC-3 that's off to your right. He'll be landing, so just extend down a little bit, and you can just maintain your altitude and fly behind him, all right?
All right, looking for traffic.
At Beverly Tower, Kronos 181's now with you, maneuvering right downwind runway 9.
Kronos 181, roger, report midfield on the downwind.
Report midfield on the downwind, Kronos 181.
And Warrior 906 X-ray, you can turn it back into the field. This time, I want you to circle to the north or to the left, all right?
All right.
And enter a left downwind on 09. Would that work for you?
Yeah, that works.
Okay, and I'll tell you, I'm going to keep an eye on you and maybe suggest when you might want to start the turn crosswind and downwind. We're going to do this just like we did. I know it's hard to say this, but treat it like much as like a normal landing as you can. So the power settings we've always done, the pitch for the airspeed, keep everything as normal as you can.
All right.